You. Who, me? Yes, you. Can you do at least one pull-up? No? No? Then drop those things and watch this video. Okay. What is up mga kano, and if you are new to this channel, if you are interested in fitness life and a little bit of good vibes, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell for updates for my latest videos. For this video, yes, you read the title right, I will teach you how to do one or even more pull-ups. Let's go! First of all, if you have access to a pull-up bar at home, then go, please stay home. But if you're like me and you don't have any pull-up bar at home, then let's go to the parks, but always wear your masks. Let's go! Okay, we are now outside, and before you even consider doing pull-ups, you have to consider these two things: core strength and the grip strength. One of the main components of completing a pull-up is your core strength. Make sure that your core is stable and strong for you to do a pull-up. There are a lot of exercises to make your core stronger, so you make sure you do those first before trying this out. Grip strength. Your grip should be strong as well, because technically the whole time you are doing pull-ups you are gripping the bar, so make sure your grip is tight and strong. We now go to these exercises to do a pull-up. First of all, in order to improve grip and core strength, the first exercise that you will be doing is the hang. This exercise can be done between sets of your workout, or if you have pull-up bars at home, then you can do this anytime you want, when you wake up in the morning or even your free time. From the name itself, it's simply hanging on the bar without swinging. Try to do it without swinging or with a minimal swing. To do this, you have to make sure that your core and grip is tight. If you are new to hanging on the bar, then try this for 10 to 20 seconds each set for 3 to 5 sets, I guess. You will feel the burn in your forearms and also your abs, and that is what we want. The second exercise is what they call the shoulder depression. This exercise helped me a lot when I wanted to do more pull-ups. Thanks to Athlean X for teaching this exercise. So basically, you are doing a pull-up without bending or pulling your arms. So all you do is push your chest up and contracting your back and traps. This feels like you're activating the muscles needed to do a pull-up. Try this from around 10 to 15 again as well, or if you can do more, then go ahead. Just feel the traps and the back working, and also make sure that your core is tight as well. The third exercise that you will be doing is the negatives. So this part is where you can actually feel like doing a pull-up. I did this when I was starting, guys, and it worked. If you can jump over the bar, go ahead. If you can't, then go get a chair or a platform or even a low pull-up bar. I call this the half pull-up because basically you are doing the second part of a pull-up, and that is going down. Instead of running towards the finish line, you're running back from the finish line. So jump and hold on to the bar and then slowly go down. Control those muscles and tighten that core. At first, you will not be able to control your way down, so just try until your strength increases. Again, do this 10 to 15 times per set, or if you can do more, then go ahead, guys. The next exercise is the assisted pull-ups. You can use some sort of resistance band if you have it, or some assisted pull-up machines if you have access to it. But for those who only has access to a bar like me, this is my technique. If you have a low bar like so, then for the first level, place your feet flat on the floor, then release your body. Try not to use your legs to push, and try using the back and arms to pull. If this is too easy for you, go and do a tiptoe position and do the same. If this is also easy for you, then try it like a Michael Jackson style tiptoe and do it again. If your bar is too high, just go get a sturdy platform or chair or a table that you can step into. This exercise lets you feel the actual pull-ups already. Lastly, I know this may sound weird to you, but do some push-ups. Pull-ups are trying to pull your whole body with only your back and arms. So if you can't do push-ups, you will have a hard time doing pull-ups. You have to be able to carry yourself. So I recommend doing push-ups on your rest days, or even when you wake up in the morning, so that you will be able to get used to carrying your own body weight. These steps, guys, are useless if you are not consistent. So go ahead and start now and be consistent, and I guarantee you that you will be able to do one or even more pull-ups. So there you have it, guys, my steps and techniques to do one or even more pull-ups. If you are new to this channel and you got value from the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, tap that subscribe button, and also that notification bell for more of these fitness tips and exercises. Be consistent, guys, and thanks for watching. Peace out.